So this is the question. This is from Society GS1. Analyze the salience of sect in Indian society vis-a-vis caste, region, and religion. And I have attempted this question, answering this question, and it was for 250 words. And it was only after I was halfway through that I realized perhaps what things I should have written. So let's see, let's go about reading the answer. Introduction. India's social structure is multifaceted with sects, castes, regions, and religions playing significant roles while caste and religion often dominate discussions. Sects also hold considerable influence, particularly in shaping religious practices, cultural identities, and political dynamics. Okay, so body says sect and religion. Diversity within religion, yeah, I did write about this, but let's see what these people have written. Major religions in India, such as Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity, are divided into various sects, of course. So they're beginning with religion. I tried to begin with the caste, and I really got stuck with. I couldn't really find many points in caste thing. So now I see some things. All right. So I should have begun with religion. For example, Hinduism has sects like Vaishnavism and Shaivism, each with distinct rituals and philosophies. Similarly, Islam in India is divided into Sunni and Shia sects, and each with unique cultural and religious practices. Why does my brain not tell me all these? I mean, I okay. In Islam, I started writing about Sufi sects and all, but yeah. Okay, the Shia community in Lucknow has historically played a significant role in the cultural development of the city, contributing to its unique identity. Alright, so sect and caste, intersectionality with caste. In many cases, sects intersect with caste identities, influencing social hierarchies and community practices. So these intersect with caste identities, influencing social hierarchies, okay, perhaps within caste, intersect with caste identities, okay. So we need to understand the language developed around the intersectional things, okay. Okay, sex intersect with caste identities, okay, influencing the social hierarchies and community practices. That means they overlap with the caste identity, and certain sects are predominantly associated with specific castes, such as Lingayat sect in Karnataka, which primarily comprises members of Veerashaiva community. Okay, the Lingayat is a sect, and the Veerashaiva community is perhaps a caste. Okay, so the example is again Lingayat community's demand for recognition as a separate religion illustrates the interplay between sect and caste in political and social contexts. Okay, so it underlines the play of a sect, um, the political play of a sect. All right, ठीक है. So we have seen some examples. So next is sect and religion. No, sect and region. Regional variations. Influence of sects varies across regions, shaping local culture practices and identities. For instance, the influence of Bhakti movement, led by various sects, is more pronounced in certain regions like Maharashtra. Varkari sect. Yeah, I was trying to write Vittala, Vihoba, Vittala sect. Alright, so there are regional variations. That's what I did write this thing fine. And there's Bengal Gaudiya Vaishnavism, and then Shankara's Vaishnavism, perhaps. Is that no Chaitanya in Assam, Ahom? And there's this Bhavani Mala, Swami Sharanam Ayyappa Mala, in many places in South India. And there's this. Alright, I wouldn't say these are sects. Some of these are not, maybe. Sectarian politics. Political mobilization sects can be significant. This is not a part of the question, but just Sects can be significant in political mobilization. So if it's a 15-mark answer, and if you're out of your points and examples, then what are you gonna write? You're just gonna write whatever comes to mind relating to that topic. So sects can be significant in political mobilization, where leaders use sectarian identities to garner support. Right, this is evident in states like Punjab, where Sikhism, various sects like Nihangs and Namdhari, Nihang and Namdhari. These are the words I was not able to recall. So, so there are so many sects within. I'll just make a list of different sects within religion. Like Jainism has these what Shwetambar and Digambar. Perhaps Buddhist people can also be called sectarian. So there are sects in Sikhism, which are Nihangs and Namdharis, playing crucial roles in political alignments. Yeah, so the Dera Sacha Sauda sect in Haryana and Punjab has influenced election outcomes by mobilizing its followers, and we have now seen so many of these Babas from different sects having some political inclinations. Alright, the sectarian conflicts. At times, sectarian differences lead to conflicts, as seen in the historical Sunni and Shia clashes in Lucknow, or tensions between different Sikh sects in Punjab. Example: 1978 clash between Akal Takht and Nirankari sect in Amritsar, which escalated into broader Sikh militancy, underscores the potential for sectarian conflict. So Akal Takht, what's the Akali Dal perhaps has come out of it, and there's Nirankari sect, and you gotta find out about that. So conclusion: sects in Indian society are significant, intersecting with caste, region, religion to shape cultural identities and political dynamics, and while they can foster rich cultural diversity, sectarianism also has the potential to create divisions, making it a salient but complex element of India's social fabric. As India continues to evolve, understanding the role of sects alongside caste, region, and religion remains crucial for fostering social harmony. Understanding the role of sects remains crucial. Alright, so the intersectionality part, I wouldn't say the caste and these are intersecting. I wouldn't say intersection is used for things which have only perhaps two dimensions. When you have three dimensions to it, I would say rather the caste identities overlap with sect identities sometimes, or the caste boundaries. The boundaries can intersect, not the entire caste intersection. The boundaries of caste divisions intersect with the boundaries of sectarian division. That would be a better thing. So, alright, that's it for this question.